While many Western nations are still bogged down in endless debates and red tape just to get large-scale infrastructure projects off the ground, China is rapidly reshaping the landscape, erecting colossal structures at an almost unimaginable pace. Instead of waiting decades to complete a single bridge or subway line, China is proving that with unmatched determination and organizational prowess, it can deliver mega-projects that leave the world not only in awe, but also on edge. Today, on World Mystery Wonders, we'll embark on a journey through China's breathtaking infrastructure revolution. From smart cities rising out of barren plains, to suspension bridges linking mountain cliffs, railways cutting through the harshest terrain on Earth, and even scientific marvels reaching into the depths of space. Things that once seemed possible only in science fiction are now a stunning reality in the most populous country on the planet. We begin with Xiong'an Smart City, a $95 billion megacity built from what was once barren land in Hebei province. When China first announced its ambitious plan to construct Xiong'an, a smart city rising from the arid soil of Hebei, many Western experts couldn't hide their skepticism. Some even mocked it as a fantasy dream in the mud and weeds. But just 7 years later, that very place has transformed into a futuristic metropolis worth $95 billion, forcing the world to look again, and look differently. More than 3,000 skyscrapers have risen from the once desolate land, connected by an intelligent traffic system that can literally think. The entire city is blanketed by a 5G network and thousands of sensors, enabling lightning-fast analysis of traffic, weather, and security data. When a fire truck sends an emergency signal, the citywide traffic lights respond instantly, clearing the path in seconds. Beneath the surface lies another world, a subterranean network of subways, water supply systems, and power grids, all organized like a macro-scale control center. Above ground, there is no more congestion or smog, only green parks and thriving community spaces. Xiong'an is not just a city. It's a living prototype of the urban future, where data, artificial intelligence, and humanity operate in seamless harmony. It stands as a powerful declaration that, with unwavering vision and unmatched coordination, even the most ambitious dreams of modernization can become reality, swiftly, spectacularly, and with deep inspiration. Let's move on to Xiong'an Railway Station, the largest high-speed rail station in all of Asia. Located at the heart of the modern Xiong'an New Area, this station is more than just a transportation hub. It's a technical marvel that has earned global admiration. With a total floor area of nearly 500,000 square meters, it holds the title of the largest high-speed railway station in Asia. But what truly sets it apart is the speed of construction. Just 2 years from groundbreaking to full operation, a timeline that would leave many developed countries in shock. The station's massive dome roof weighs up to 60,000 tons, the equivalent of 9,000 adult elephants, and was assembled with near-perfect precision. Thanks to its smart architectural design, the interior is filled with natural light and feels spacious and modern throughout. Inside, everything is fully digitized. A network of sensors and intelligent management systems helps coordinate passenger flow, optimize train schedules, and maintain top-tier security. With a direct high-speed rail connection to Beijing, travelers can get from Xiong'an to the capital in under 1 hour. Xiong'an Railway Station is not just a train station, it's a bold statement of speed, precision, and vision. A shining example of the so-called China speed, that's now redefining what the world once thought was impossible. Continuing the journey, we arrive at the Sichuan-Tibet Railway, a project often described as a miracle carved into nature's most unforgiving terrain. Stretching nearly 2,000 kilometers, this railway connects Chengdu, the capital of Sichuan province, with Lhasa, the capital of Tibet, cutting through some of the most complex and hazardous geological zones on Earth. It is the first railway to traverse a region where the average elevation exceeds 4,000 meters above sea level, an area marked by thin air, extreme temperatures, and ever-shifting landscapes. The route crosses 14 active geological fault lines, passes through snow-capped mountain ranges, deep valleys, and zones prone to landslides. Several tunnels took up to 5 years to complete, not due to a lack of equipment, but because nature's challenges were immense. To make construction possible, China developed specialized machinery designed to withstand freezing temperatures and low air pressure. Workers operated under prolonged oxygen-deficient conditions, yet progress and quality were never compromised. The railway system is equipped with real-time seismic sensors, capable of detecting ground tremors and triggering emergency stops if an earthquake risk is detected. This railway doesn't just reduce travel time between Chengdu and Lhasa from 36 hours to under 13. It stands as a powerful symbol of humanity's determination to conquer nature, a groundbreaking leap for regional transportation, and a clear message. No terrain is too difficult when technology and willpower move as one. Not far from there lies another breathtaking masterpiece, the Huajiang Canyon Bridge, one of the highest suspension bridges in the world, stretching across sheer cliffs in southwest China. From the bridge deck to the bottom of the gorge is a drop of over 600 meters, equivalent to the height of a 200-story skyscraper. Treacherous terrain, high winds, unstable rock foundations, every factor made construction seem nearly impossible. And yet, this colossal bridge, nearly 3 kilometers long, with a main span exceeding 1,400 meters, was completed in just 42 months, a feat few nations could replicate. Constructing at such an altitude presented a series of formidable challenges: strong winds, dense fog, unstable terrain, and the need for absolute precision in every phase of assembly. Chinese engineers had to design specialized suspended scaffolding systems and even developed drone-based monitoring and measurement tools to operate safely in turbulent wind conditions. Massive steel cables were transported along treacherous mountain roads, then suspended mid-air to build each segment of the bridge with incredible care. The entire load-bearing cable system is equipped with intelligent sensors that monitor vibration, tension, and structural stress in real time, allowing engineers to detect even the slightest anomaly. Thanks to its optimized design, the bridge is capable of withstanding magnitude 8 earthquakes and extreme wind conditions, ensuring full safety throughout its operational lifespan. Before the bridge existed, crossing the canyon could take nearly an hour via narrow, winding, and dangerous mountain roads. Today, that same journey takes just over 1 minute. More than just a bridge connecting two cliffs, this structure connects speed, opportunity, and development for the entire southwest region of China. The Huajiang Canyon Bridge is not only a technological marvel, but also a powerful testament to vision and human will. Proof that with determination, we can span even the deepest divides nature puts before us. China's technological ambitions don't stop at the ground. They extend deep into space with the FAST telescope, the world's largest and most sensitive radio telescope, often referred to as the Eye of Heaven. Nestled among the towering limestone mountains of Guizhou province, FAST spans a diameter of 500 meters, covering an area equivalent to 30 football fields. With its ability to detect ultra-weak radio signals from deep space, FAST can receive signals from as far as 13.7 billion light-years away, pushing the boundaries of how far humanity can reach into the universe. Its reflective surface is made up of more than 4,000 triangular aluminum panels, each of which can move independently to change the shape of the dish. This allows it to function like a massive, dynamic, cosmic mirror. The engineering precision is astounding. Tolerances are measured in millimeters. To preserve its sensitivity, FAST is located within a radio-quiet zone stretching for dozens of kilometers. No cell phones, no Wi-Fi, no artificial signals, absolute silence, so the telescope can listen to the faintest whispers of the cosmos. But FAST isn't just for stargazing. It is used to search for exoplanets, study gravitational waves, investigate dark matter, and even hunt for signals from extraterrestrial civilizations. This is not only a scientific project of China, it's a gift of knowledge to humanity, a powerful symbol of our shared desire not only to understand the world around us, but to reach beyond it, into the infinite. And we simply cannot overlook Beijing Daxing International Airport. A structure so futuristic, it feels as though it stepped straight out of the 22nd century. With a total floor area of over 1 million square meters, Daxing is one of the largest airports in the world, capable of handling up to 200,000 passengers per day. Viewed from above, the terminal resembles a massive starfish, a design that allows passengers to reach any boarding gate from the center in just 8 minutes on foot, a figure few airports globally can match. But what truly sets Daxing apart isn't just its scale, it's the speed of construction. In just 4 years, China transformed an empty stretch of land into one of the world's most advanced aviation hubs. Everything inside the airport is digitized and automated. Passengers can check in using facial recognition, drop off their luggage without touching a screen, and pass through security without traditional documents. The baggage system is equipped with thousands of sensors, tracking each item with pinpoint accuracy to minimize losses and shorten wait times. During construction, the airport earned more than 60 international patents, showcasing China's ability not just to catch up with global standards, but to set new ones for the future of aviation. Daxing isn't just a new gateway to Beijing. It's a bold statement of vision, technological prowess, and the relentless pace of development that China is pursuing with unwavering determination. China isn't just building for itself. In Africa, one modern railway has transformed the way an entire nation moves. The Mombasa-Nairobi Standard Gauge Railway, built by China for Kenya. Stretching over 470 kilometers, the line connects the port city of Mombasa, Kenya's economic gateway, with the capital Nairobi. Previously, the journey took more than 12 hours along rough, muddy, and often dangerous roads. But since the railway's completion, that time has been cut to just 4 hours, safer, smoother, and up to international standards. What's most remarkable isn't just the improved travel time, but the ripple effect it has created. During construction, China brought not only equipment and technology, but also trained thousands of local engineers and workers. What was left behind wasn't just a railway, but the knowledge and capacity for locals to operate and maintain it into the future. The railway was also built with high environmental standards. As it crosses natural parks, Chinese engineers constructed elevated tracks and tunnels to protect wildlife migration paths, ensuring that local ecosystems remained intact. Thanks to this railway, trade has accelerated, tourism has grown, and rural communities now have greater access to major urban centers. This isn't just an infrastructure project. It's a symbol of a rising Africa, where once isolated regions are now connected to the world through speed, precision, and meaningful partnership. China's influence also extends to Southeast Asia with the Jakarta-Bandung high-speed railway, the first of its kind in Indonesia and the entire region. Spanning 142 kilometers, the line cuts travel time from over 3 hours to just 40 minutes, reaching speeds of up to 350 kilometers per hour. More than just a transportation upgrade, it symbolizes technology transfer, while boosting urban development, the economy, and tourism along the western corridor of Java. In the Middle East, a region long known for its oil wealth but increasingly seeking a new face in infrastructure, China's presence is becoming unmistakably clear. From the Khalifa port in the UAE, where automation handles nearly every operation, to the metro lines in Riyadh, where extreme heat once deterred many Western contractors, Chinese teams have pressed on with relentless determination. What Middle Eastern nations appreciate most is not just the speed, but China's results-driven approach. No political strings attached, no interference, just pure focus on building and delivering. So what truly sets China apart? It's not just technology, capital, or manpower, but the speed of decision-making and exceptional organizational discipline. While the West is still debating in boardrooms, China turns blueprints into reality. Unburdened by endless red tape or a fear of failure, they're willing to experiment, innovate, and take risks to achieve results the world has never seen before. Of course, controversies remain. from environmental concerns to geopolitical implications. But one thing is undeniable. China is redefining the limits of modern infrastructure. And in the race for speed, they've become a leader the world can no longer ignore. At World Mystery Wonders, we hope this journey has given you a clearer understanding of why China's bridges, railways, smart cities, and scientific marvels are reshaping the global order of construction. These aren't just steel and concrete. They are powerful symbols of vision, determination, and the ability to turn dreams into reality.